to also confirm with Sylvia here, MPP Mississauga East Cooksville, that yes, Mosaic 20th anniversary celebrations begin.
You want me to say a few words?
Oh, it's like that. Oh,
all right, folks, come on over here, Sylvia. Let's celebrate the raising of the flag symbolically for our community, for Mosaic. Mosaic stands for, that word in itself says a lot of things. The mosaic of who we are as people of Canada, people here in Ontario, people of Mississauga. Now, we spoke of different cultures, and of course, I'm an immigrant myself. My parents came in 1953, and they always said this: there's room for everyone. Room for everyone to work, room for everyone to learn, and more importantly, room for everyone to help each other. And Arshad, he has it in him to always help other people. He cares about Canada first. He welcomes the opportunity of immigration and cultural diversity in Canada and here in Ontario, and we embrace that. But we always have to embrace who we are as Canadians. And as he always says, never 51, because Canada is sovereign, Canada stands for the people of Canada, and that includes our immigrants and those that came to this country and made this place home. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so very much. And I think we could say after not just 10 years, but 20 years, 2 decades, Mosaic has become a truly featured player in our downtown and within our city of Mississauga. And because of the sheer great work that the organizers have played, making sure Mosaic was put on the map as one of those featured players. Really, when you think of Celebration Square, Mosaic is one of the ones that you think of right off the bat. After 2 decades, we really got to do this. So let's do it together. Let's raise the flag of Mosaic and celebrate all of the wonderful, beautiful cultures of the city of Mississauga. Let's do it.
कितने समय गुजारी का है बिछड़ का है समय बन जाएगी ये ज़मीन We're gonna change it up a little. We're gonna have to do this on the fly.
because you are part of the Canadian culture, part of the mosaic. So Mosaic has now officially begun. I think Charles said everything, but what I would love to say to you, and this is what I say to everyone from all over the world in the different events that I attend in Mississauga and beyond. Be proud of your culture. Don't let anyone ever tell you that your culture should not be made proud of. Be proud of your culture. I am so proud of my Italian culture. My heart beats. And when you are proud of your own culture, you will be proud.
Guys here.
Good evening. No. Good morning. Good evening. There we go. That's what we're talking about. My name is Sampradaya. I'm the Member of Parliament for Brampton, Tinkuzi Park, and the President of the Treasury Board for Canada. It is truly an honor to be here at the Mosaic Festival. And you know, today is 20th anniversary of Mosaic. This is 2 decades. So they deserve a round of applause, not like this one, no, 1 second. Let me count. Look, it's a 20 years of journey. Mr. Arshad and his wife and the team of Mosaic Festival, bringing people together, bringing communities together, spreading harmony and love. And that's what it is. Canada is all about. So they deserve a real round of applause with the 1, 2, 3, go! There we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's great to be here. Always. That I always look forward for this festival, because when they took this initiative, started this journey, they have went through lots of ups and downs, but they didn't change their mission, which is bringing people together, providing that platform that where we can celebrate our food, our culture, and spread love and harmony. So thank you so much, and it is truly an honor to be here with the team and my friend MPP Adib Anand. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And again, those volunteers, sponsors, and the people there who are protecting us, please give a round of applause for them. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. How's everybody doing? I've never seen such a wonderful engagement.
At all. I kid you not, and I'm not making up numbers, have supported over 5,000 artists. And even that number might be a little too little. But this is the one festival in the world, and I can speak on behalf of Khurram, myself, and all the musicians here, that we are always paid, and not only paid, extremely well paid, well taken care of, and there is never any division between where you're from, which country, which state, which province, nothing. That's why this is always full every year. When I had an idea and I said, brother, and by the way, Arshad Bhai is my mentor and my appa is right here as well, and when I said, Bhai, I have an idea, I want to do mosaic sounds, he said, ja, kar. And then we did another, we had a team of 60 people, but can we please get a real round of applause for the magic right here? And before you...
Arshad Bhai, thank you so much for putting this show for all of us. And always people say where the money comes from. Money doesn't come from the tree. It actually comes from the people like us. Why? When we pay our taxes, a portion of that we invest back into tourism, we invest back into the mental health and well-being. And that is the money being used. So thank you to each and every one of you, because you're actually consuming and using that. So thank you to Mosaic for doing it, and 20 years. Keep doing the great work and keep enjoying. Thank you so much again.
So this next line, everybody needs to sing together. You look like somebody.
We have huge following here, so we can. Because USA we can't do that much. We need something here.